Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Andrew Rogers. If someone sent you a link to a video about a Metronome memory switch, you're in the right place. If you're a subscriber to my woodworking channel expecting to see a woodworking video, this is not it, so kind of skip it and don't hit unsubscribe yet because more woodworking videos are coming. And if you're a marching band person and you want to check out some woodworking videos, take a look at the videos, tell me what you think. A number of years back I had posted a video about this Metronome memory switch right here, this little box. What it does is it changes the tempo settings or the memory settings with the push of a button, as opposed to having to use this yellow dial here to change between the memory settings when you're doing a tempo change in a show. It gets kind of a little bit scary as a drum major or band director if you're having to change the memory setting with this yellow wheel. One click, right in tempo, and that's pretty intense. I don't know if I've ever done that right. So back in the day, myself and my buddy Brian Howard, who was another drum major of the Blue Devils, came up with a little button. It was a really odd button that we had. It was a metal bracket that we screwed a button onto, and then it was just kind of all exposed and kind of awkward. So a few years back I decided to enclose the whole thing, make it a little bit more functional, and make it not wear down as fast. So let's go ahead and take a look, and I'll show you some of the updates from the last video to now. Here's what we're working with right here. This is a little aluminum enclosure or a little aluminum box that is 2 inches tall, 2 inches wide, and about an inch and change thick. It's a little bit more than an inch with that lid on the top, and then obviously with those buttons as well. We've got two plugs in the side. This plug on the top that's closest to the buttons plugs into the memory jack that's on the side of the Metronome, that top jack. This other one that plugs into the start-stop jack right here, the second one down, all it is a stabilizer, so that way this box or this enclosure doesn't spin around if I only had one plug in here. So I went ahead and added a second that's just a dud. So we've got the right button going forward through the memory settings and the left button going backward through the memory settings. So let's go ahead and give it a run and see what we got. And there you have it. That's how this button works. If you would like to purchase one or more of these Metronome switches, email me at rrwoodworks@gmail.com. Let me know how many you want and give me a good email address to send my PayPal invoice to. These guys are going to be sold for $45 each plus $7 for shipping, and I can ship up to 7 in the same box for the same $7 shipping. If you live overseas, just let me know. We can just pay a little bit more for shipping. I know I've sent some to the UK before, maybe the Netherlands as well. I can't remember exactly. And I want to say shipping might have been about $13 US or so. But just go ahead and send me an email. Let me know where you're at and what you're needing. And then I can get you that PayPal invoice. And when it's paid, I can go ahead and pack them up, put them in the mail, and then send them on the way. They usually take about 2 to 3 days to arrive depending on where in the US you're living, and then overseas obviously maybe just a little bit more. So once again, email me at rrwoodworks@gmail.com if you would like to purchase them. Once again, let me know how many you want, and then give me a good email address to send the PayPal invoice to, and then we'll get the ball rolling. If you would like to share this video, go for it. Just copy the link or share it on Facebook or Twitter or wherever you need to share it. And I'm finally in a place where I can make more of these. I just made 50, so I've got a lot to send out right now if the need arises, and then I can always make more pretty quickly. So let me know, and thank you guys for watching.